Manila in particular, good weather conditions pa rin. Aside from afternoon or evening rain showers, pagkapat itong susunod na mga araw, let's say on November 1, still good weather, but afternoon may expected na rain showers, pero hindi naman significant inaasahan.
Sir, ano po, ito po sabi niyo, maaaring magkaroon ng rain shower sa Metro Manila po.
Metro Manila. On Tuesday.
Okay. Sir, so you said good weather conditions, but there might be rain showers in the afternoon and in the evening.
Yeah.
Tuesday pa po.
Yeah, Tuesday.
Tuesday and Wednesday.
Yeah.
Sir, how about the rest of the country?
For the rest of the country, specifically yung Mindanao area, by tomorrow, na-expect na natin na maulan until the outlook period, let's say on November 2, at pinapayuan na nga natin na mag-ingat dahil expected na tuloy-tuloy yung ulan, posibleng magkaroon ito ng floods.